Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is a skincare video. I've been seeing this Tumeric face mask for a while and the reviews has been amazing so far, so I thought why not try it. I tried using a Tumeric face mask before. I gave up on the first day because it stained all the things I was wearing that day, so I was like, no, I'm not doing this again. But I've actually been seeing a lot of videos recently, so today I'll be starting the 7-day Tumeric face mask challenge. I'll give updates and we'll see how it goes. This time around I'm actually going to be extremely careful while applying it on my face. The turmeric I'm using, I've already mixed it. I have the turmeric here. I'm using my makeup brush. The turmeric I'm using is 100% natural. It's from my mom's farm. Yes, my mom is a farmer. I'll be applying it on my face and I'll keep it for like 15 minutes. Like I said, I'll be giving updates every day. I'm just going to apply it on my face right now. Oh, but before I apply it on my face, I would like to show you guys my face. Let me zoom in for you guys to see my face. So I'll be applying it on my face right now. I already mixed it and yeah.
Red lips, blue eyes. Yeah, she got me steady beating up my heart. Her red lips, blue eyes. Girl, you know that I'm a star. Let's have dinner in the sky. No, we never stopping for red light. Money got me running in the face life. But love is like a target, hit the bullseye. I know that I will love you in my next life. You got me catching.
I'm actually done applying it. I'll leave it for like 15 minutes, so I'll get back to you guys. I just washed it off. I left it for an extra 5 minutes. I don't know, my skin looks a bit brighter, or am I just tripping? Anyways, I'll be giving a daily review, so yeah, let's see how it goes. Thankfully I didn't stain anything. I was extremely careful.
Some other things that got me falling hard. Your black shades. Ooh, I'm not repetitive, but I keep on falling every time I see you, girl. Move up, baby, shoes up.
I just finished washing my face. So this is up close. It's looking like my neck, because my face is actually darker than my neck. I've tried, guys, I've tried everything possible to make my face and my neck match, but it just doesn't work. That's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Take your shoes up, make them raindrops, raise the roof of the air, make the neighbors. Middle finger to the haters. Whoa.
I just finished washing my face. Today is the third day, and yeah, so far so good. Day 4 of
red lips, blue eyes. Yeah, she got me steady beating up my heart. Her red lips, blue eyes. Girl, you know that I'm a star. Let's have dinner in the sky. No, we never stopping for good red light. Money coming running in the face like.
I just finished washing my face. Today is day 4. I've not really applied anything. This is like up close. I've not applied anything on my face. It's actually a bit dried. I don't know if I said this in the beginning of this video. This is the only thing I've been using on my face for 2 months now. This is just the only thing. Is it up to 2 months? Yeah, since like the lockdown, I've not really gone out till date. So this is what I have been using. I think my face and my neck, it's almost same color, because my biggest problem is trying to match my face and my neck. My face is usually a bit darker than my neck. It's kind of the same. I don't know if I'm tripping. I don't know, but so far my skin feels really soft and tender. That's all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Today is day 5.
But love is like a target, hit the bullseye. I know that I will love you in my next life. Oh no, you got me catching feelings. You got me feeling kinda tipsy. Oh no, you got me catching feelings. You got me feeling kinda woozy.
So I just washed my face. Today is day 6.
Some other things that got me falling hard. Your black shades. Ooh, I'm not repetitive, but I keep on falling every time I see you, girl. Move up, baby, shoes up. Take your shoes up. Make them raindrops raise the roof off, yeah. Make the neighbors.
Wow, I did so well today. I didn't remain any. This past few days I always remain and have to like wash it off, and like I said, this turmeric is from my mother's farm. You know how African mom, they don't like to waste the stuffs. So yes, I'm glad I didn't remain any to wash today. I just finished washing my face. This part of my face that has this acne scars, it's fading gradually, especially the one here. My face and my body, there is no much difference. So far so good. This is it. That's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Today is the final day of my 7-day turmeric face mask. I'm going to apply it now. After that, I'll tell you guys what I think. But I actually think, okay, I said after, yes. I have my turmeric here, as always. I'm going to go ahead now and apply it. I think today's own is a bit watery, but I'll use it like that. I always have my wipes. It's always good to have your wipes at arm's length, because this turmeric is so disrespectful. I mean, things has been going on well. Maybe because today is the last day. Aren't you supposed to be happy I'm using it on my face? Today's own is oops, 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 oops. Don't do that, don't do that. This is not allowed. Today's own is a bit watery, but it's okay. I'll just apply it gently.
Middle finger to the haters.
I just finished washing my face right now. Looking at my face, I'm just wowed, because you can clearly see my neck and my face is matching. You guys can clearly see my neck and my face is matching, and this after pimple scars these acne scars are fading out, like especially this one. See, these ones, they are fading off. These ones are almost invisible. This part of my mouth that used to be really dark, my forehead, the forehead gang, it's, you know, and then my dark circles, like, guys, just to look at these. I'll actually try my best to at least put it on once or twice a week, but like, I'm not going to use my mother's turmeric to put on my face every day as a skincare routine. Like, I won't be doing it every day. I can't tell that lie. Anyways, we've come to the end of this video. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel. 97% of my views don't come from my subscribers. I'm begging you guys, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay glowing, try some turmeric face mask, get rid of those post pimple scars. I don't know why I keep calling it post pimple scar, but you get what I mean. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.